Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
As of the most recent reports, the global electronic connector market is projected to experience significant growth, estimated to be worth over $80 billion by 2027. This growth is driven by the increasing demand for high-speed data transmission in telecommunications, the automotive sector's shift towards electric vehicles, and the continuous innovation in consumer electronics. The market's expansion highlights the critical role connectors play in ensuring the reliability and performance of electronic systems.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.